kia ora e hoa mā, ko whakapūnake toku maunga, ko te wairo toku awa, ko Ngāti Kahungunu toku iwi, ko Kahlil Grocott ahau. And when I think about what te reo means to me, I think about learning the ahaka mana para tawa ngā whā waiata in Karitane Primary, just north of Otipoti, Dunedin. And why I think about that is because in this beautiful motu, we get the chance to learn about the reo of our whenua from a very young age in many kura around the motu. I didn't start pursuing te reo intentionally until my years in university, but even from a very young age, myself and my Pākehā and my tauiwi classmates all had the chance to learn the language of this whenua and te reo o Aotearoa. So that's just something I've been thinking about, especially in light of recent attacks, recent whawhai about the use of reo, and it's been reminding me a lot about the words of Kingi Tuheitia right here, about being Māori every day, in your reo, in your actions, in your decisions, and in your kupu. So yeah, ngā mihi nui kia koutou. Happy Te Wiki o Te Reo Māori, and ka kite anō. Kia ora.